Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get long division. This fundamental arithmetic skill helps us break down larger numbers into smaller, more manageable parts. It's essentially a systematic way to figure out how many times one number, called the divisor, fits into another, the dividend. We'll cover the 4 core steps: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down, which form a repeating cycle. Let's dive into the 4 essential steps. You begin by dividing the first part of your dividend by the divisor. Then, you multiply the result, or quotient digit, by the divisor. After that, subtract this product from the portion of the dividend you just divided. The final step is to bring down the next digit from the dividend, creating a new number to repeat the process. Consider dividing 735 by 5. First, 5 goes into 7 one time. Write 1 above the 7, then subtract 5 from 7, leaving 2. Bring down the 3, making 23. 5 goes into 23 4 times with a remainder of 3. Bring down the 5, making 35. 5 goes into 35 exactly 7 times with no remainder. After completing your long division, it's smart to check your work. Simply multiply your quotient by the divisor. If there was a remainder, add it to that product. The final sum should perfectly match your original dividend. Remember, a remainder signifies that the divisor didn't divide the number evenly, and it will always be less than the divisor itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.